back to the channel, guys. So guys, as you guys know, my girlfriend bought me this DJI Pocket 2, and I've been using it a lot more than my Sony camera. What is it, a 6600? And today I thought of something. It's my day off and I'm just like, I gotta make more videos for you guys, especially in the summer. And I decided, why not get a little bit creative when it comes to filming? And as you guys know, the car I drive is a 2022 BRZ, so it's a newer platform. And there's one thing that always bugged me and every other BRZ owner out there, and that the two holes that they put from factory in the front bumper, that there's no reason to have them, especially on the US cars, because they do not fit our license plates. They're in the wrong locations. So you have to buy an adapter, which is something like this that I bought on Amazon a long time ago. Oh, look at that. Ooh. This thing right here is basically an adapter for the license. So you can mount a USDM license plate frame to this. Why not mount this DJI Pocket 2 to that mount with some of my other mounts that I have for this, and try to do like a POV driving video. So I'm gonna put my DSLR right over here, try to hook it somewhere so I could get a driving footage of the cabin, and then I'm gonna use this DJI Pocket 2 to try to get like first person type of driving footage. And I know the perfect spot, super nice canyon drives, and at the end I'm gonna get some ice cream. If you guys want to see those results, stay tuned. Driving through these canyons, you're always gonna be careful, blind spots, never go on the opposite lane. There's been so many accidents that I've seen online that people just don't know how to drive through canyons. Like, if you guys are gonna be speeding, you know, driving a little bit more reckless than usual, I'm not condoning it, but at the same time, it's like, be smart about it. I think I'll be good right here. So, let me show you guys. There's the Pokemon packs I bought. And then we're gonna use this thing that usually attaches to the mount. And then we're gonna be using this one right here on there. So now next thing is hook up the DJI. All right, and that's how it looks like. Actually, it looks pretty legit. Looks pretty legit, doesn't look bad at all. One thing I already noticed, that the person that makes this, it's good for a license plate holder, but as far as like a camera mount, it's not the best. I think I'm gonna make my own. This is good enough, but since it's not intended for what I'm using it for, I'm gonna make my own version of this. So let's get to driving on this beautiful road. chocolate ice cream cone.
What size?
Medium?
Medium?
Yeah. We got the ice cream, guys. It's a little lopsided today.